Hi, welcome to another edition of Shabbat Lounge. As always, I appreciate you tuning in, giving this a listen, and I always appreciate a like, a comment, a subscription. If you find this is a benefit to you in any way, please share it with someone else. I also now have a Facebook page, and it's sabbathlounge.com, and I have a WordPress blog. It's sabbathlounge.com. The website, it's sabbathlounge.com. And I even have a little phone number you can call and leave me a message. So there are lots of ways to reach me. And I do want to give a disclaimer. I by no means claim to have a corner on the truth or have it all figured out. In fact, I am always leery of anyone who tries to tell me that they have it all figured out, because I don't think they do. And I think anybody that claims that it's worth questioning them and questioning that statement. So every day I learn something I didn't know before. But anyway, I appreciate you listening. And today, I hit the summer doldrums in my occupation, my line of work. The heat of the summer is what we've hit here in Texas, where we get these stretches late July and August where we hit 100 degrees every single day, no rain, and everything just bakes hard as a rock. The plants start dying. I even had pecan trees that are about 2 years old, and they all threw off their leaves and went into dormancy mode, and I've been trying to keep them from dying. In fact, I'm having to water them slowly, and I did get them to sprout leaves again. But this is just we call it the summer doldrums. And, I don't know about you, but, sometimes you just get kind of blah, you don't really know what to do. You're not sure the best course of action. And it's easy to beat yourself up, and especially if you have a job where sometimes you get slow and there's a slow period. Those days seem to take the longest, don't they? When you're fast and you're fast and furious every day, and you're drowning in paperwork and phone calls and emails, and you can barely get it all done. Those days fly by, and then you look up and a whole week has gone by, a whole month has gone by. And so right now I'm in kind of the one of the slow times now in the winter. Tend to be the slowest times, and I try to find myself as busy as possible. I try to find ways to be out and about, and I don't like being stuck in an office. But the summer doldrums, that's what I was kind of experiencing today, and just kind of I had that feeling. Every day I'm trying to figure out, what am I going to do today? I have a few people to go talk to, but what is it that I'm really going to do today? And so I try to make my own destiny, and I find that helps, So that's how I fight through the summer doldrums is being busy. And I think the busier I am, the better I fight through that. And it also makes me think of the scripture where Paul talks about, whatever you do in word or deed, do as if you're doing it in the name of the Lord. And I believe that that's a good rule to live by. If I work really hard and do my very best, that's what I'm supposed to do. That's how my company benefits, and then that if my company benefits, then I get benefited from. It works. Definitely works that way. And so anyway, if any of you out there are facing the summer doldrums, or just not sure what to do, get busy and be proactive, and try to plant seeds that you can harvest later. And so it doesn't really have a whole lot to do with Torah, but the Torah does tell us to be diligent and to work and to be busy, and to not be lazy and not be a sluggard. And so I just challenge you to get to work and look for opportunities that may be around you, and try not, when you find yourself just kind of cratering in and being pessimistic and down with the world and down with yourself, get to work. There's no cure for that better than just rolling up your sleeves and getting on a task, and you get your mind off of that, and you quit dwelling on that negative and reinforcing that negative behavior, and just get out there and get something done. So that's my challenge to you today. Once again, I appreciate you listening to Shabbat Lounge. Thank you for taking the time today. And as always, I appreciate a like, a listen, a comment, a subscription. Share this with someone you know. And I'll be back at another time. Thank you.